So good evening my dear students. Today also I am going to solve some exercise problems which are related to set theory. Hope this lecture also will be helpful for all of you. Okay, so you come to the question 6 here. You see here, write the following as interval. You see here some sets are given. Yes, just you need to write this as an interval. Already I have discussed about the intervals in the previous lectures. Here just I will try to recall some basic concept on one interval. Suppose we consider this set, okay, x, and write this way. X is a real number, and suppose here you see x is greater than a and less than b. Here you see we use strictly less than or strictly greater than. Yes, strictly we use this symbol. Okay, then what happened, this set we can write like this way: a comma b. Yes, a comma b, and this is called interval, and this is nothing, this is the open interval. This is called, we consider this set x belongs to R. Here a less than equal to x and greater equal to b, then this set we write like this way, and this is we call closed interval. Yes, that means you see when we use this greater or equal, then we use this closed bracket, or if we use here this strictly less than, then we use here this open bracket. Yes, here you see strictly then open. Now if we put here this less than or equal to, then this bracket will be here, this will be closed bracket. Now come to this question here. You see the first question here, you see x belongs to R and -4 is strictly less than x, and this is less than equal to 6. That means what will be this one, guys? This will be here, you see minus of 4 will be there. There will be open bracket, because you see less than, strictly less than is there. But here's in case of 6, here you see less than or equal to here, so here will be closed bracket, right? So this will be the required interval of this set, right? Okay, question number 2 here, you see x is belongs to R, and here strictly, here you see both are strictly less than. So in this case what we use here, just we use here the open bracket. Yes, open bracket. So this will be the interval. This is the nothing, this is the open interval. Okay, now come to this question. Suppose this last one, here you see they use here less than equal to, less than equal to. So here what we do here, we use this close bracket 3 and 4 bus. So this is the required interval of this question. Yes, similarly here you see, here in this question, here you see in the question number 3, yes, this one, here 0, but this will be closed because here less than equal to is present, but here 7 is open here because you see less than, strictly less than they use here, so this will be open. So simply guys, you see if this type of set builder form is given, then we will write the interval here. Just we need to give some concentration on this less than or strictly less than. If strictly less than is given, then we need to put here open bracket, or if less than and equal is also given, then what we do, just we use the closed bracket. That's it. Okay, hope all of you can write this type of intervals. Okay, and here you see write the following intervals as a set builder form. Yes, you see they provide some intervals here, just we need to write in set builder form. So in the first one, you see here, in the first one what we do here, in the first one what we do here, this is minus of 3 and 0. You see first of all they use here open bracket, so we need to put here strictly less than. Okay, so what will be the x, and x belongs to R, and what we get here, -3 is strictly less than x, is strictly less than 0 bus. So this will be the required set builder form. Okay, here you see in the second one, here you see what will be this one, they provide here closed bracket. So since they are using closed bracket here, so what we do, just you put here x belongs to R here, this will be 6 and less or equal to, yes, less or equal to 12. Bas, this will be the secret set builder form. Bas, since they are providing here close bracket, so you put here less than equal to. But here you see in the question number 3, what we do here in the question number 3, they provide here open bracket, but in this side is closed. So what we do, simply here x belongs to R, yes, here 6 is less than, strictly less than will be there because this side is open but this side is closed, so this there will be less than equal to bus. So this is the set builder form. So okay, so hope all of you can write this one as a set builder form. Okay, bye bye.